when you first start making a VR game, you have to decide which SDK you want to use. And so really your two main options are going to be Meta's SDK or Unity's SDK, which is called the XR Interaction Toolkit, which all their templates are based off of. And so the one I usually recommend to people is the XR Interaction Toolkit just because it's a lot simpler. I've actually been working for work. We've swapped over from the XR Interaction Toolkit to the Meta SDK recently because we want to use those mixed reality specific features like co-location and shared spatial anchors and some of those that are only like specific to Meta, which is kind of annoying. And it's just so much more complicated. It's wild that the XR Interaction Toolkit it's so easy to set up. You've got some simple, you want this kind of locomotion, you got a game object and you add that locomotion and it's relatively simple, whereas Meta's SDK is just they just have so many components and there's so many like different connected things you have to add. And so usually, especially if you're starting out, I would recommend going the XR Interaction Toolkit. Plus it works on all headsets. And then you're only going to be missing out on just like a couple of mixed reality features that they are working on putting in. So you will get them eventually. It's just right now you don't have access to them. So that's what I usually what I recommend.